Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Sport Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video on how to search contacts in the directory. As usual, when you log into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. From your dashboard here, you'll be able to click the Go to Directory button, or you can use the directory icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Once in the directory, you'll be dropped into the Contacts Directory dashboard. From the directory dashboard here, we can view our saved searches, which will allow us to load a search, rename it, or delete it. You can also see some of your recent searches here, as well as your recently added contacts down here on the bottom. Over here on the right hand side, you'll be able to search using keywords, so you can search by name or company. So for example, if you were looking for a contact that you know and you want to see them in the database, you can search them by name and view the contact here. You can of course also add this contact to an existing list or a new list if you would like to. And you can do that by clicking Manage List right here and selecting the list you want to add it to. Okay, we're going to go ahead and clear that search, and now we'll do a filter search. So when you're doing a filter search, it's going to allow you to use the different filter options here on the right hand side. So the first thing we're going to do is select a company type, and we'll go ahead and select corporations. Now that you've selected corporations, on the right hand side you have this arrow, which you can click if you want to go further into the specialties of those companies. So now we can say let's select only food corporations. If we go ahead and we hit back, we'll see the rest of our filters here. And then you can continue to filter down if you want to. So you can go further by location. And again, you can go further into that category anywhere you see an arrow. And then we can also go by role. And let's say we want marketing executives for right now. Okay, you don't have to use all these filters if you don't want. You do have the option. But if you're happy with your results, now we're showing 882 matches. So from here, you have the option of saving, which means you can save the search so you can come back to it at a later point to review your results. So we're going to go ahead and name this. And we're going to also use this pin save search to launchpad button here, which I'll show you in a second once we save this search. So now if we clear it, we'll see our new search saved right here, which is pinned to the top, and then we can go ahead and reload this search. Now that your search has reloaded, you can, again, select checkboxes to add these contacts to an existing list or a new list if you want. Or you also have the option of clicking into the contact name to get further details on the contact and the company. Okay, so that sums up our video for today. Should you have any further questions on this topic, please feel free to check out our Help Center at help.agencyaccess.com.